Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're going to add a card now. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and online. First, verify the card supports Apple Wallet and that you know the billing address and CVV. Banks verify those immediately. Open Wallet and tap the plus sign in the top right to start. If prompted, choose credit or debit or transit depending on the card type. The app will offer to scan the card. Do that or enter details manually, and then follow the on-screen prompts to proceed to verification. Once the card details are entered, the app sends them to your bank for verification. This is why accuracy matters. Accept any user agreements the issuer shows, and if your card supports express transit, enable it now to skip authentication for public transport. Next, choose whether this will be your default card for Apple Pay and confirm your security method, Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode, so payments are instant and secure. The bank may require a one-time verification step via SMS, email, or its app. After verification, your card appears in Wallet. Tap it to view details and settings. Test it with a small contactless purchase or hold your iPhone near the reader and authenticate with Face ID or passcode. Confirm the transaction in Wallet. If the card fails to add, restart the phone and ensure iOS is updated, then try again. If problems persist, contact your card issuer to confirm Apple Pay support and any holds on the account. One key tip: enable two-factor.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.